Hello and welcome to this video tour from Berthon International of the new Windy SLR60. This is the latest launch from the Windy Special Projects division based at their Scandinavian shipyard in Västervik, Sweden. The yacht has an LOA of 18.15 metres, a beam of 4.53 metres and a draft of 1.29 metres. The weight is approximately 16 tonnes depending on specification. The SR60 was developed in cooperation with Malcolm Mckeon, who is also intrinsic to the development of the highly successful SR52 Blackbird, which launched Windy into the superyacht market. This project was also developed in cooperation with an experienced repeat client who has owned a number of Windy SR52 Blackbirds. The SLR60 has been developed primarily as a formidable chase boat, but would also serve well as a luxurious day boat. A lot of attention has been paid to the yacht's ability in rough conditions, and this is an extremely capable, fun and rewarding yacht to drive. This example has been finished with quality teak in the cockpit and on the upper side decks and foredeck. The client has also chosen a fully lacquered hull and deck, which can of course be customised. Here on the foredeck she has a sleek and clean profile with a custom anchor system which can be easily deployed or retracted. There is also a very generous lazarette for storage or equipment and fenders. The Gnomon deck cleats also fold down to avoid any hazards. She is available in a standard SR version with accommodation for 4 in 2 cabins, or the SLR long range version which offers luxurious accommodation for 3 in 2 cabins with extended fuel tanks and can achieve a fast cruising range of over 800 nautical miles at 25 knots. There is easy access around the deck for guests and crew, with consideration taken to well positioned handrails for an added feeling of security. The custom helm position is extremely ergonomic and has been installed with the full Volvo Pentaglass cockpit system. The glass screen units link into the Garmin AIS 800 transceiver, echo sounder and radar. The full height but stylish windscreen connects the extended hardtop for added protection. The yacht is also easily manoeuvred with the joystick docking system, which can also be specified with the Auto Station Control Holding feature, or DPS. She is also fitted with the Humphrey interceptor system, which automatically controls the yacht's trim, list and heel in more aggressive corners. The Volvo autopilot can also be controlled via the joystick. She is also specified with a Fusion Apollo sound system, which links into 8 7.7-inch speakers and 4 10-inch subwoofers. She can also be specified with a gyro stabiliser. Moving after the helm, you have a further row of sports seats and the wet bar. On the SLR60, the long-range version, you also have access to a further storage area above the additional tankage. The wet bar is specified with an electric grill, ice maker, microwave with grill as standard, sink with hot and cold water tap, rubbish bin and additional storage and drawers. There are also further large top stowing provision fridges in the deck. There is also an aft seating area with a large table, and the backrest can be moved forward and aft depending on requirements. The bathing platform has also been extended and careful provision was made for diving operations. The platform can also be specified with an Opakmari transformer which retracts to form easy water access. She is also fitted with underwater lights and a carbon fibre bathing ladder. There are additional lockers underneath the sunpad and seating, and the top of the sunpad also forms the engine hatch. There are also custom transom gates. The electric engine hatch gives access to the well-appointed engine room. This example is fitted with 3 IPS 650 engines which top out at 43 knots and offer that staggering 850 nautical mile cruising range at 25 knots. The engine room is also fitted with the standard Onan 7 kW generator, which can be upgraded to the 9.5 kW option. There is also the option to install a water maker on board with a capacity of approximately 60 litres an hour. The accommodation has been beautifully styled by LIAIGRE, and there is the provision for 4 berths and 2 cabins, allowing for the converting area forward. This example has been specified as the SLR long range version, which reduces the size of the aft cabin, allowing for the extended fuel tanks, but it's still very usable for crew or the occasional overnight. The accommodation also benefits from an air conditioning system with a capacity of approximately 16,000 BTU as standard. You also have a well-appointed galley and shower compartment. Berthon represent Windy as the exclusive dealers for the production ranges in both the UK and France, and have been working with the Scandinavian yard for over 20 years. We've also represented clients in the successful build and delivery of over 5 SR52 Blackbird superyacht tenders. Our business offers first-class service and support for our clients and a close working relationship with the Windy shipyard and team. We would be delighted to discuss the yacht and your personal requirements in more detail.